My name is Daniel Helming. I'm the head of supply chain for ABB. ABB is a company that operates in over 100 countries. We have tens of thousands of customers and we provide engineering solutions in the field of power and automation worldwide. As part of that, we have to make sure that we comply with the legislations, the specifications, the regulations that are available in these countries and that our customers will deem as important. That means for us, it is our responsibility to ensure that the suppliers that are working with us as well comply with requirements that our products have to fulfill with the end customer. Now, over the last couple of years, we were looking for a solution that is in line with what we like to achieve overall, to have a one-stop shopping solution in a 21st century web-based, cloud-based style. We came about the company that is today our partner. Its name is Achilles. The company Achilles is providing a registration and pre-qualification tool that is online, web-based, in the cloud, everything that we really want from that perspective, to all our plants and all our buyers worldwide. Now, there are even, beside the fact that we are going to get much higher transparency in terms of the respective requirements that we have and that we have to provide, there are as well benefits for our supply base. First, if you register in the tool, this information is then available to all our manufacturing plants and the category leaders worldwide. That's over 500 plants. Second, we are part of a power tech community in Achilles, and every additional customer that is joining and is as well utilizing the process in their field will as well have the ability to have direct access to the data that you provide. Last but not least, the benefit for you is for those of you that actually are dealing already with several units inside of ABB, that the qualification process and the registration process will be minimal because we just have to do it once rather than over and over again. So by joining the registration and the pre-qualification process, you will be one step further in terms of either becoming or remaining a valued supplier for us. I'd like to introduce you now to Nils Tengberg. Nils is the head of supply-based management and supplier quality, to give you a little bit more details.
Thank you, Daniel. Yes, compliance and risk management are the key drivers for this supplier registration and pre-qualification system we now are rolling out globally. It's not only to secure that we and you are fully compliant to all industrial standards like ISO 9 and 14000, but also to secure that we have full understanding and compliance to all governmental standards and requirements, both locally and globally, like the latest conflict minerals legislation. So how will this registration work? For our existing suppliers, you will receive an invitation email asking you to register, and if you are defined as a critical supplier to ABB, you will then, after completion of this initial registration, also be asked to do a stage 2, which we call supplier pre-qualification. This is a more substantial amount of information we need you to provide. And for our volunteer suppliers that are interested in doing business with ABB, you find all the information you need on abb.com/supplying to ABB. With this, I would like to thank you very much for participating in this registration and pre-qualification, for the benefit both for you as a supplier, us as ABB, and our joint end customers.